The EVSC School Community Council is a movement alive and thriving in Evansville to help our children succeed in the classroom and in life. Since its inception in 1991, we have grown to become a collaboration of over 70 community organizations and schools that believe that education is the responsibility of our entire community. We are teachers, administrators, parents, businesses, neighborhood residents, government agencies, social and health service providers, all working together to establish schools as places of community to enhance youth and family development.
We are very fortunate in Evansville to have a school community that cares deeply about the success of our children. However, schools can't do this work alone. And the School Community Council is a model for collaboration.
When I think about the challenges of educating our children, it's so much more than what simply administrators and teachers can handle. It really takes an entire community.
I think the School Community Council really fills the need of eliminating the barriers to education in our community.
What the concept of the movement is about is community organizations and people come to the table with their resources. And we all have expertise in different areas. So we bring those expertise and those resources to the table and we share them.
The business community understands how important it is to have a highly skilled, highly educated workforce. And we certainly understand how important it is to bring all of the community's resources to bear in order to have that highly skilled and highly capable workforce.
Agencies like the YMCA and many others in the community have a desire to do anything that we can to improve our community and meet our missions. The school community collaboration, it brings people together, brings agencies together, and allows each of us to fulfill our missions in deeper and more significant ways.
The School Community Council focuses its efforts on supporting three main pillars: health and wellness, academic enrichment, and building community partnerships. In the area of health and wellness, we support programming to enhance nutrition and physical activity, asthma education, school safety, social and emotional learning, and alcohol and drug prevention. In the area of academic enrichment, we provide support for school-based mentoring programs, after and before school programs, and summer programs, transition and ready-to-learn plans, and early childhood literacy training. To build community partnerships, we invite school staff, local agencies, businesses, parents, and neighborhood volunteers to participate in our big table meetings and school site councils, where together we discuss ways to address the needs of children and families at each school.
When I first learned about site councils, I thought, wow, as a high school principal, that's just one more thing to add to our plates. I have a totally different view on that now. When we put everyone together in the room, everyone around that table was very interested to see what they could do to help us make North High School a better place for our students. And I think that's what has really made a difference here at North.
Southwestern currently provides 5 case managers to the Vanderbilt County School Corporation. Those case managers are in every elementary, middle, and high school in Evansville. They bring information back to the treating psychiatrist and therapist within Southwestern so that they may have a good view of what's going on with in that child's life, especially in the school setting.
As a counseling agency, we do have therapists that are involved working with kids from the schools. But in addition to that, we have case managers who work with schools to make sure that the kids get the services that they need, but in addition, that their families are able to get all of the resources, referrals to resources, and all the assistance they need in order for their children to meet their goals.
Youth First social workers are in schools every day assisting students and their families. We also offer research-proven programs like Strengthening Families, Reconnecting Youth, and Adventure-Based Challenge that boost skills in young people.
It's important to have social work services in the school because we cannot expect a child to come to school and be prepared to learn if they don't have electricity, if they don't have food, if there's some sort of domestic violence going on.
Deaconess is honored to be sitting at the table with other partners. We focus in on the health of the students because we firmly believe that a healthy student has the ability to learn. We reward students for healthy behaviors. We get the parents involved. We go to the PTAs and really encourage the students and parents to take an active role in promoting health.
Through the School Community Council, St. Mary's provides services through the mobile dental clinic It also provides respiratory therapists and dietitians who work through the nursing program at the Evansville School Corporation. We think that this is a grassroots effort to improve health in our community, and this is a great way of doing it.
We work with kids in the schools on attendance issues. The court and of course the community realizes the importance of an education. The only way you can receive an education is to be at school on a daily basis. The collaboration works for many reasons. One, it's given our employees, the court employees, an opportunity to be in the schools, to be able to know the teachers, know the administrators, so that they can work together on an educational plan for the kids.
We have an officer now in all of the high schools in the Evansville-Vandenberg School Corporation. And then those officers are also they take care of the feeder schools. It's been a good relationship. I think it's been very valuable, not only for the school corporation, but for the police department, as well as for the community as a whole.
Rigorous evaluation of the process is critical to the long-term success of the School Community Council. In a short time, the School Community Council and the programs it supports have shown excellent results. Test scores, attendance, and discipline have all improved.
In the wake of increasing accountability for both schools and community organizations, the School Community Council, its partners, are committed to ongoing process and outcome evaluation strategies. This is important both for the accountability of the programs, but most importantly for the quality of programs to our community, our parents, and our students, as well as the sustainability of the initiatives as we continue to move forward.
I have two daughters here at Lincoln, and the programs they have benefited from, the Boys and Girls Clubs, the Strengthening Families, the Diamondettes, all that has been wonderful because it's been after school, it keeps them involved. It is important for the school to be the base of these programs because people that have limited means of financial, they just can't and probably wouldn't participate in anything just because they wouldn't have the money, they wouldn't have the transportation, the time. But if it's offered at the school, then wonderful. You know, the children are already at school and they provide them transportation home, and it's just a win-win situation.
I think the School Community Council brings together the teacher, the student, the parent, and the community, all for one goal, and that is the achievement of the students. When a child comes to me with an attitude of learning, when their parents promote education in the home, when a child has a good self-esteem, child has a good feeling about who they are, and they come to me and ready to learn, we can sail through the year.
If you love kids, you have to love the School Community Council.
It's been a wonderful partnership with us. We're very excited about the work we're able to do with the school corporation, and we invite others to be involved in this partnership as well.